Hello, my name is Curtis Ridenauer, and today I will be presenting on my user-selected project for Computer Science 631. I created a site using Google Sites, which is a framework provided by Google that I'll be going over today. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the site that I created. At the moment, it's very basic. I just put a few things in it so that you can see some of the functionality that is built into the Google Sites whenever you create them using this framework. Essentially, I created a home page where I just put in a little bit of text, a map. I have a results page where I can display images very easily, and I can also accept user comments. I can go up to survey form, and I actually embedded the Google form that I created for my usability study inside of this site. So essentially I can use this and just give it out to people and have them complete it on my actual website. In order to build a website using Google Sites, they actually made it extremely simple. All the user has to do, they just need to have a Gmail account. In this case, I use my C. Ridenauer one, the one I usually use. You go in and you click the Sites button, and it takes you over. You can see the site that I currently have, but you can create different sites just by choosing your template, selecting a theme. You can get exactly what you want and create a site with a couple pushes of a button. In this case, I won't create a new one from the ground up. We'll just be using my usability study website. To show you exactly how this site works, I will edit my site that I created. All you have to do, you click the button to edit the page, and you can go into any page and go ahead and edit them as needed. In this case, just to show you from the ground up, it's really simple. Just create a new page. I can name it anything I want, like Hello World. Click Create. Takes just a moment. You can see it automatically is put into my navigation bar, and I have this area right here. I can insert anything I want into that, so I can actually, if I want, just go into, like, let's say Hangout. I can have a Google Chat button. Go ahead and put that in there, and you can see whenever I save my document, it's just right there. So you can click it and start the Google Chat. You can do that for a number of different things. As you can see, you get a lot of different options, from images to links to stuff from your Google Drive to your Gmail account. Additionally, they also gave you the option for more gadgets such as calendars, YouTube. All of that can be embedded with just a few clicks of a button. So as I was saying, essentially with Google Sites, you have the option if you would like to go into the code and add a few scripts, but predominantly it's used actually by users who have no coding experience at all. There's no code, you can just build your website and you can make it available to those who you want to see it very, very quickly. Computer Science 630 and 631 focused on actually learning the code and how to code properly in order to get a desired result. In this case, no code, it's very simple and easy for a developer to automatically have their site up and running. Additionally, it's free, so it's hosted completely online, and you don't have to worry about paying any of the software costs to make it available. All of the plugins are free, they're available with just a few clicks of a button, and you also have the option for access control. Whenever I save my document, you can see up at the top, once it's done saving, there's actually a button for share. I can share it to the world, or I can simply share it to just those people that I want to see it. So it's very, very simple to manipulate all the different variables. So in the creation of this website, I actually didn't really encounter any issues. Google Sites made it extremely easy to create a site. It had a very easy interface in order to go ahead and insert things like, say, my map, text boxes, new page. Essentially, I had no issues aside from actually figuring out exactly how to share with people, but that button is right there. It makes it pretty simple. All you have to do, click it, and share with whoever you want. So all in all, I didn't really have any issues, and I thought that this was a very good technology to create very basic and simple websites.